Hello, Brandie. This is Mr. Gibson, and I was looking over the two problems that you sent me, and I will say I will show you how to do those problems, but I do believe that the answers that are provided are incorrect. And at first, when I first go over the problems, I'm going to show you why I believe that those answers are incorrect, and then I will show you how I believe the problem is supposed to be done. So I want to start off with problem 26. It says a person drove from 8 a.m. Tuesday to 5 p.m. Wednesday. Total drive was 396 miles. He had lunch for 30 minutes on Tuesday and sleep overnight from 7 p.m. Tuesday and go back to drive at 5 a.m. Wednesday. On Wednesday, he had 30 minutes for lunch. What is the average speed that he drives? So first of all, let's take a look at the information that was given to us. We had 396 miles. Now, and showing that I do not believe that it's 54 miles, because I'm assuming that that's miles per hour because they asked for the average speed. What I'm going to do is this here. We're going to take Desmos and we're going to take the 396 miles and divide it by 54. So what it's saying is that this person only drove 7.7 and a third hour. Now let's take a look at how many hours this person actually drove. So from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now remember, this is 8 a.m. Tuesday to 5 p.m. Wednesday. So from 8 a.m. Tuesday to 8 a.m. Wednesday, that's 24 hours. And then we know from 8 to 5 p.m., that's another 9 hours. So that's a total of 33 hours that was driven. Now we have to subtract off the times that this person was not driving. So remember, they had two 30-minute breaks here, 30-minute lunch breaks. So we would have to subtract both of those off, which would be 1 hour. So that takes us down to 32 hours. And then also, this person slept from 7 p.m. Tuesday until 5 a.m. Wednesday. So we know from 7 p.m. Tuesday to 7 a.m. Wednesday would be 12 hours. And woke up 2 hours before that, so they actually slept 10 hours. So that would give this person 22 hours that they were actually driving. So now, if we go back to our calculator, it's 396 miles divided by the 22 hours of driving. So they actually drove 18 miles an hour. So we would have to put, the answer here would be 18 miles per hour. That's how many miles per hour they had to drive. Because I don't know how they came up with 54. Because also, if we took the 54 here, which we did show earlier, 54 times the 7.3 will give us almost that 396 hours. And we know that this person, from one day to the next, as much as they drove, that they drove way more than seven and a third hours. So now we go on to the next problem. Okay, so now we're going to go to the next problem. It says 6 clients are throwing a party and each cake serves 24 servings and has a party of 70 and 3 staff. How many cakes are needed? Now again, I want to show you why I don't believe that this final answer is correct first. Okay, so they're saying that it's 2 3/4 cakes. Now, we're told that one cake does 24 servings. So we have 2 3/4. So we could take 24 times 2. That'll be 48 servings so far. Then if we take this 3/4, we could take 24 times 3/4. Put that over 1. We could do cross simplifying. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 24 6 times. So that will give us 18 over 1, which is 18. So the 3/4 will add on another 18 servings. So what this is saying is, according to the answer that's provided here, that it's only supposed to be 66 servings. Now, if you look at the numbers that are given to us, we got the 6 clients, we got 6 clients, 70 people at the party, and then also an additional 3 staff. Now, we have to figure out a way to get to 66. So, if we add all of the numbers together, the 6 clients, the 70 people at the party, and the 3 staff, that gives us 79. That's still not 66. Okay, next, if we take out the 6 clients and say, okay, what if the clients don't eat any cake? If we just do 70 plus 3, that's 73. That's still more than 66 servings. Okay, let's just say that, which I think too, most people that go to parties, the staff isn't served. Now, my wife, and like I said, she could be correct with this as well, that maybe the staff is served. Some people do serve the staff. So that's why I'm doing all of these different scenarios, because she brought up a good point. So then let's say that the staff and the clients are not served. That still would be 70, which is still more than 66. There's no configuration that we could think of with these numbers that would give us where we would have 66 servings. So that's why I believe this 2 3/4 is not the correct answer. So what I am going to do, I'm going to go through and do all 3 scenarios with, the 6, 70, and 3, which is 79 servings, the 73 servings, and the 70 servings, because I'm not sure how the test will want you to count the people. They may want you to count everybody or exclude certain amount of people out. So I'm going to show you the 3 different answers that are the possible answers. Now, if you have a little bit more information on these problems, please let me know. But let me go through those 3 scenarios. So first of all, with the 79 people. Now remember, 1 cake is 24 servings. So we could just take that 79 and divide it by 24. So then that'll be 3.29. Now let me do this here because I want to see what the fraction is. So this right here would be 3 7/24 cake. That would be all of them added together. Now, next, the second scenario I gave you where it was 73 people over the 24 servings. So we'll take 73 divided by 24, and that gave us this 3. Now I have to subtract off the 3 and hit this fraction bar so we can see it as a fraction. So it'd be 3 1/24 cake. Okay, last but not least, we have the one with the 70, where it's 70 people over the 24 servings, because remember, 1 cake is 24 servings. So we'll take 70 divided by 24, and that gives us 2 point something here. So let me subtract off this 2 and hit this fraction bar. So it'd be 2 11/12 cake. Now it's one of these 3 scenarios, depending on if the clients and staff is added, whether or not it's just the staff and the people, or whether or not it's just the people. So it's one of these 3, and it's not that original answer. So now listen, if you have any more information about this problem or any more questions, feel free to text me, and I will send you this link. Talk to you later. Bye.